Hello, my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you my restroom decor for this Valentine's 2022. So without further ado, here it goes. A very Valentine's restroom decor, a glam style. So this is what my restroom looks like before I actually start decorating it. As you can see, it's changed a bit since the last time you guys seen it. I added those two shelves and I repainted the restroom and added an accent wall. Okay, my dolls, so here I need your help. I have 3 ideas for the rug. Here's what the red one looks like. Now we're gonna go for the pink one, and here's how it looks with the pink one. It's a bit small, but I think it still looks pretty cute. And then the third option would be the red rug at the bottom and then the pink one at the top. Y'all let me know which one y'all like better in the comments. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and got some inspiration to decorate your restroom for this romantic holidays. Love you, my dolls. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.